Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning the names of various jobs and occupations in Korean language. If you have not watched the first part yet, then you can go and watch it on Korean Express YouTube channel. So now let's start with the second part. Here comes the first word, and that is the Korean word for architect. In Korean, architect is 건축가, 건축가. Now let's see the next word, and that is the word for farmer. And in Korean, it is called 농부, 농부. Now let's see the Korean word for nurse, and that is 간호사, 간호사. Next comes the Korean word for photographer, and that is 사진작가, 사진작가. Now for your information, photo is called 사진 in Korean. Okay, so it's easy for us to remember. Photographer is 사진작가. Okay, next comes the Korean word for accountant, and that is 회계사, 회계사. Now let's see how you're going to say electrician in Korean language, and that is 전기기사, 전기기사. Next comes the word for writer, and in Korean it is 작가, 작가. Now let's see next word, and that is the word for judge. In Korean, judge is called 판사, 판사. Next word is the Korean word for office worker or company worker, and that is 회사원, 회사원. Now comes the next word, and that is the Korean word for pharmacist, and that is 약사, 약사. So in this video we learned 10 words denoted for various jobs and occupations in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.